Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be using Red Heart yarn, size 4 worsted weight, and a size J crochet hook, and we'll be doing the single crochet. So there are two ends in the yarn. You want to use the end that's on the inside of the yarn and not on the outside. That's going to make it easier for you to unravel your yarn during your project. Okay, we're going to start off by making a slip loop. So we're going to put the yarn around your finger and then pull through and make a loop. Put your crochet needle through the loop. And there's a couple of different ways you can hold the yarn. This is the way that most people hold their yarn. I was kind of self-taught and I learned to do it that way, like just in between my fingers like this. But whatever's more comfortable for you, I'm going to start out by demonstrating the one that's most commonly used. Now bring your crochet needle under and around the yarn and pull it through the loop with your hook. And you're going to do this 10 times. This is going to make a chain. We're going to make a chain of 10. So bring the crochet hook under and around and pull through. After we've chained 10, we're going to want to do a single crochet into that second chain from the loop, from the hook. And we're only going to be going into that back loop for this first row. So we're going to be going into the back loop. We're going to pull the yarn through that back loop, and then we're going to bring it through both loops. We're going to continue this for each stitch across. Be sure not to make your stitches too tight. So you want to kind of pull up just a little bit when you pull through. So your stitches, you don't want them too loose, but you don't want them too tight either. You want them all to be just perfect. Or just not too loose or not too tight. Yeah. Now once we get to the end here, we're going to do our last single crochet, and then we're going to chain one, and we're going to turn our work. Now going into that second row, we're going to be doing the same thing. We're going to single crochet through that second chain from the hook, but this time instead of going in through the back loop, we're going to go through both loops. if you look at your work from the front, you can see the little holes, the little hole where you put your crochet hook through. And if you look from the top, then you see the two little diamonds, the two little loops that you put it through. This is the single crochet. Just practice. Try to get your stitches all of the same tension. And you'll be ready to go on to the next stitch. Thanks for watching. Happy crocheting.